Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to measure for a classic roller blind. First we'll measure the width. Measure the recess at the top, middle, and bottom. And note down the smallest width measurement, accurate to the millimetre. Now we can measure the drop of the blind. Measure the recess at the left, middle, and right hand sides. And again, note down the smallest measurement. If you have any tiles or beading on your recess that might interfere with the bottom bar, make sure to measure the obstruction and deduct the measurement from your recess width. And that's how to measure your classic roller blind. Take a look at our current fabric collection by clicking the annotation on screen now. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.